Keep watching if you want to know how you can easily edit this. Choose your character effect in your videos. I created this edit in CapCut, uploading pink star show overlay. Add that picture grid edit as overlay. Remove our green color by Chrome key. Color picker option. Add text at the beginning of star show clip. Font style is pixel. Add pictures of characters. Add their name. I added 3 characters same way. Give slide left animation. Add yellow square PNG. Remove green color same way. Now place this yellow square as selection tool on the picture grid. Use keyframes to move this square around. Layer it 3. Now upload yellow plain PNG. I want to choose Mirabelle, so I will place it over Mirabelle's picture. With keyframe reduce its opacity from high to low. Give this picture animation zoom in from combo tab. Right in here change the filter of star show clip. Add more clips of character you choose. Give split 1 transition between the last picture and first video clip. You are done. Export. Follow if you find this tutorial useful.